We're going to start off by cutting out our striped V template on our pattern vinyl and a sheet of our diamond double-sided adhesive. You can get this in my shop. This is the semi-transparent one, and that's the one we're going to be working with today. We're going to go back and forth between the template on the diamond double-sided and then the pattern vinyl, and we're going to remove the sections of the pattern vinyl and then place them on the sections of the diamond double-sided adhesive sheet, and we're just going to continue to do that until you get all the pieces of vinyl on the template that you'd like. Once you get all your pattern vinyl placed, we're going to just take and fold back the backing about an inch. I like to get it all lined up on my tumbler. When I see all of the sides are lining up, top and bottom, I will then tack down that 1 inch we folded back and then just place the rest of the template on the tumbler. I'm going to remove this section of the cover sheet and apply some foils. All of my foils come from Artistic Painting Studio. Code TRYNA10, T-R-Y-N-A 10 will save you at checkout. This goes right over that adhesive sheet. You're going to press it firmly on with your finger, and then you're going to kind of trace the outside edge just to make sure it's applied all the way. Now I'm going to place this snakeskin foil on some of the sections as well. Now I'm going to take this lavender holographic foil and apply it to some sections as well. We're going to be applying this really soft gold called Beach Therapy, and we're just going to take the cover sheet off of that diamond double-sided and just sprinkle it on. It has such a great adhesive, it sticks really well. I don't really burnish this down, I just kind of tap it to make sure it's really in the adhesive, and that's what makes my adhesive sheets so great, is the semi-transparent will kind of give you a light gray look, so those are better for like darker colors, and then my white adhesive sheets are great for lighter colors, and you only need 1 coat of glitter. Now we're going to remove some more sections, but this time we're going to go with a different glitter color. This one is called Winter Solstice, and it's a really pretty dark navy. Now that your tumbler is all glittered, you're going to spray seal those sections, let that dry completely, and then add a layer or two of epoxy until your tumbler feels smooth. You really want it smooth so when you lay your vinyl striping, you don't see any bumps in the vinyl striping. I have just cut out this striping on my silhouette, and I am just going to place it on every single section. Add your final layers of epoxy to your tumbler and it is all finished. You can find all of these supplies in my shop, diamondsanddustshop.etsy.com, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.